Mario did a nice job here on the grand ballroom floor. So this will be the second floor, and we'll sand that tomorrow. And we'll take this floor, this is the other floor that lives in this section. Right in here, it's a little bit tight. We have to sand these down some, but the second floor is coming along nicely. All right, we are back, and we've done a few things. Mario went ahead and we finished the floors, the second floor. So this is just redwood strips with a little bit of stain, and then a waterproof sealer over that. And we have this one right here for this section, and then the one under here. So this is the roof section that we completed. This is where we did the Bondo. It's all nice and smooth now and filled in. And we just did a rough job on the inside. You aren't going to see this, but we have some just like gloss white in here so that our lights inside will reflect nicely down. And after that, we have this lower section. And just kind of thinking ahead, what we're going to obviously do is have floor tile in here. So I'm going to take the roof section off. And these tiles will be eventually permanently attached, glued into here. And so once we're ready to do the final assembly, we will glue the tiles in and grout them, and they'll be nice and ready to go. And we're going to put lighting in here, and so what I'm going to use in here is just this LED strip lighting. And as you know, or you may not know, they come in all different color temperatures. And I want a nice cool white to where it looks like fluorescent lights, because this is more, like I said, this is a cargo and ticket office, so it would be probably lit with a fluorescent lights rather than warm incandescent lights. So we'll put a strip of that in on the inside of the ceiling here. The other thing that I think we're going to do is build a little ticket counter right inside here. So we'll just make it out of this PVC board, glue it together, and then I think I'm going to put a little glass wall, because it's very typical of how they do their ticket offices there in Switzerland. And so we'll show you how to do that, but you're always trying to think ahead of what your next steps are so that you perhaps aren't boxing yourself into a corner when you're building this. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is, it's always handy to have a couple of your figurines out just to kind of get a size reference. And so when we build this ticket office in here, the counter, probably want it to be at about 1.5 inches high, 1 3/4, and that should be the right ticket height counter. And after that, so that'll be a few steps down the road, but I was just trying to figure out the spacing and where that would go. Thanks again for watching this episode, and as always, if you like what we're doing, please like us on Facebook. Please follow and subscribe to our channel, the Alpine and Western Pacific Railroad. And if you have any other questions or comments, please email me at Hawley, Hawley, @trainli.com. And once again, thank you very much for watching. you.